Welcome back to this lesson, guys. So doing more workings with this, we're going to work with shapes. These are two boxes. You remember our two boxes? These are two boxes, and we have different shape tools right here. We have shape tool right here. We're going to talk about shape tool in the next lesson, but for now we're going to work with shapes. So we have rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is one of those tools you can use to work on shape. So what I'm going to do is to use the rectangle tool. As you can see, when I drag the arrow down, you have 3 points rectangle that makes you draw a rectangle at any angle, and we have the draw rectangle. So I'm going to use rectangle tool to draw a rectangle and a square. So this is a rectangle right here. I'll just drag and drop. After using the rectangle tool, it drags and drop, and this is a rectangle right here. You can turn a rectangle to a square. How do you do that? You know, this is your, remember your interactive bar, your property bar. This is your property bar, and we have a lot of like settings to do here. As you can see, this is the x coordinates and this is the y coordinates. Why this is the width and height, as you can see. So what a square is that a square is the same width and height. So we're going to give this 10, we're going to give this 5 actually. We're going to give it 5, and we're going to give the height 5 as well. I'm going to give the height 5 as well. So we have a perfect square right here. That's what makes a square. So you can use your rectangle tool to draw a rectangle or a square. And we have the color palette here, so we can use any of these color palettes. We can use any of this color to design. Look at this, shows you more color RGB palette, so we can use a lot of colors. So let's just give this a purple color. So we have a purple color. I want to show you something before we continue. We have an outline right here. If you notice, before we added the purple color, let me show you something. Before we added the purple color, we have a black outline here. As you can see, this black outline is called outline, and the inner color we filled is called the fill color. So we have the fill color and we have the outline color. Now what we can do is that we can increase the strength or the boldness of this outline, and we can change the color of the outline as well. Now we have a very tiny outline and we have a black outline. So how do you change an outline color and the outline size? What we can do is, when you see this icon, this is your outline, this is your outline, this is your outline icon, this is your outline icon. As you can see, outline pen right here. When you see this icon, is an outline. You can use this place or use this place to increase the outline. So what I'll do is I'll use this to increase the outline. So I'll take it to 16. As you can see, 16. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the outline pen, just drag, and you see outline pen and outline color. Then I can change the color to like black, or black at the moment. I can change to red and work on the style. The style will be just dash. You can change the style. You can change corners. You can make it rounded a bit. You can take the line curve and you can just give it an okay and see what it looks like. So that was outline for you. You can change color, you can change the outline size. As you can see, this is red and it's looking so good. That's an outline for you. And you can give it a fill color. You can give it any fill color. Give it red, give it this. So you see your outline right here. You can change the outline from here. You can see outline pen. You can change the outline size from here as well. You can say 75, you can say 50. It changes the outline with thickness of the outlines. You can change it back to 16 just to make it look good. So we have 16 right here, and we have a square.